Well, it's it's impressive, and we are proud of the ranking, and we dedicate that success to the good partnership with the Rwandan people. And we commit to do more, because we know even if we are ranked first in Africa, best in Africa, but we know our some of the gaps we need to fill, and also to continue promoting the citizen-centered policing, the concept of community policing, always in the framework of the good governance and our able leadership. Key point to success is partnership with the public, professionalism, and dedication.
Guhaguruka tukayaha icyubahiro.